Hey friends, look, these are the only 2 babies that we are currently hand feeding. The rest of them are all already weaned. We got the gray cockatiel and this violet ringneck.
I think it's confused.
Because of the cockatiel?
Yeah, it's just trying to bite the cockatoo because
hey baby, don't fly, don't fly, don't fly, no. Don't fly, here. Here, how about this? There we go, here. You want some? You want some? Are you hungry? Is that enough for you? I think that's enough for you. Uh-oh. Here. He jumped over onto my belly. So, let's put him back in here. And we'll scoop up this little ringneck. I got a DNA result on him and he is a male. I was hoping that it would be a female. But that's okay. I'm going to keep this guy anyhow because he is split to cinnamon. So, I'd like to see what his babies look like. Hey. Here. Look at that. One-handed. I figured we'd do this quick and simple today and not get out the tripod. Look at those beautiful colors. I'm in love with him. Hey look, I want to show you this neat little gadget that I got. The kids have really enjoyed it. Here Jeremiah, let me have it. When mixing this hand feeding formula, I got this guy. It is a coffee milk frother and it makes short work of this formula.
It just bends the tap.
Yeah, if the dry powder formula sticks to the bottom, just wiggle it around without touching the button on top. So when you touch that button on top, if you hold it at an angle, not too big of an angle or it's going to splash on you, but if you hold it at an angle like that, it makes a nice whirlpool in there.
There's in the water.
Yeah, I keep a bowl of water to keep things clean with. And you can see this. Catherine and Daniela were using it yesterday to make whipped cream in little coffee mugs. And they were crushing up some blueberries in it. And I guess that's called a blueberry pool. Yeah, that's a whirlpool. I got that on Amazon. I think it was $13. It came with a little whisk attachment too and a nice little stand to keep it on. But that's that.
Yeah.
Captain wants to go out and show you some of the birds out in the birdhouse.
Look guys, we have some baby parakeets. I don't know why, but this cage always seems to have the best luck with babies. I wonder what other cages have some luck, some more babies. I have to stand on a milk crate to record this. Nope, just some eggs. There are no eggs in that nest box or babies. I don't know if there they are. You can kind of see them. Those are the parents. See, is anyone? Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, he is. Oh, so big. I did not know we had a baby in though. Okay. Oh, no babies. I love that one. That one's a blue. You can't quite see it that well. There, you can kind of see it more. Please ignore the thunder. It's about to start storming soon. Okay, let's see. Nope. No other parents, even though there's no babies, sadly. Okay, so let's check in this nest box. This is Lovebird. Now, she is new, I think. We've had him for a while now, but she's new. Newish. Let's see. Oh my gosh! 4 eggs? Oh my gosh, I'm actually so shocked. How about this one? I can't see that. Give me a second. Nope, no baby. I had to get some of the shavings off of the door. That's why I paused it. Oh my gosh. Did I just break the milk crate? I was standing on a milk crate and I stepped on it and it bent. It's not supposed to do that. There's a chicken in a mud hole.
There's old man Forrest. He is 20 years old this year. He turned 20 in March. There he is. Hey, Forrest. We love you. We love you. You're a grumpy old man, aren't you? Just like your daddy. Just like me. Well, Forrest, man, what do you think? Huh? You want to say bye-bye? Bye. Bye-bye, Forrest. He is 20 years old now. I got him when Jonathan was just 1 year old. He's a handsome, handsome man. He and I have been friends for a long, long time. Hello. Well, friends, thank you for watching. God bless you. Forrest and I love you. Bye-bye.